Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you real quick how you can join Midjourney. So first thing you want to do is go over to Google and type midjourney.com, then press enter and this beautiful web page will appear. Then click right here on sign in, and if you don't have an account already, you need to sign in, fill out your name, email, password and all that other stuff. I am signed in already, so then you will prompt to authorize to external application, which is Midjourney bot, to access your Discord account. So you have to click on authorize here. And then as you can see, I have created something already. So you can see I have my images here. At first, you will not have any images here. You can only go to this Explorer and Community feed. There you can see what others have created. So I will go back to home. And now you will have right here, you will have button to connect to your Discord. So you have to click on that and accept invite from Midjourney to your Discord. So you go over to your Discord, click on Discord, open Discord in your browser. And as you can see, I have already Midjourney here, but you will have button to connect with Discord. So click on that button and it will open Discord and Midjourney server in your Discord as well. So this is how you join Midjourney, and I will show you how to create an image right now as a bonus. So if you want to create an image, you just have to type imagine, then press space, and it will open up this prompt. Then type what you want to see. So let's say, and then you can also write --.ar, and that means aspect ratio. And you can select your aspect ratio. So let's say I will go 16:9, since that's what my monitor is. You can always do 9:16, and that's portrait or any aspect ratio you want. If you are already done, then you press enter. And as you can see, this bot is waiting to start. You have to wait until it's create your art. So first thing you need to know is if you have not verified your account in Discord, then you can do this. So go ahead and go to your Gmail and activate your Discord, verify your Discord account. As you can see, it is 31% right now, and it is rendering, so we will wait. And as you can see, it will still move upwards or downwards because this channel is, everybody is using this channel and it simply gets lost in here. So you have to scroll a bit, but you will find it. And as you can see, when it's done, it's really beautiful. These are 4 drafts, and you have to click on upscale, which one you want. So 1, 2, 3, or 4. So I really like this one and this one as well. So I can pick, for example, this 3, U3, and it will upscale it. So I have to wait again. And when it's done, as you can see, there is your upscaled image. So you can click on that and it's really beautiful, nice. So this is how you join Midjourney and create your first digital art. So it's very simple, guys. Thank you for watching. If this was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and check out my other tutorials in this Midjourney playlist on my channel. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye.